This ray diagram will be drawing. Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
it? We'll go slow and steady, and hopefully we'll be able to draw many of the ray diagram. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's start. We'll start with this diagram. This is concave mirror.
Yes, sir.
Number.
Object is at infinity. Infinity means at a very large
What
distance.
is the page number?
Yes, sir.
And then where the image would form, that's what we want to do. So you know the method.
Yes.
First thing to draw is principal axis. So this is the principal axis. Okay. And then our standard practice, we open it by how many centimeters? Is it 8 centimeter now? Okay, few more students have entered in. Okay. Next step is to draw 4 lines above and 4 lines below. What is this?
Concave mirror.
This is center of curvature C, and here we'll do shading to indicate that it is, what is it? Concave mirror, and at 4 centimeter from it, this is pole of the mirror and this is focus. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You might have practiced that. Okay. Now you have to show rays coming from long distance. So we will show this is the first ray, incident ray, and it has to pass through focus. Second ray, where will it pass? Through focus. Are you getting it? Okay. If I continue in the same way, this is third ray parallel to principal axis, and that will also pass through focus. A ray parallel to principal axis, it was going this way and returned back on opposite way. Same way this is now. If I continue, this is incident ray, and after incidence will pass through focus. Same way this is second ray, will also pass through focus, and third ray it will also pass through focus. Hello, am I audible, all of you?
वंश तो होस्ट है.
Yes.
मैं कैसे हो
नहीं, my connection was been lost.
तेरे को बनाया
सर आ गए वापस.
Actually, during all this morning time, there is network congestion, and 3 o'clock if I keep, then some of you are not okay with that. Okay, so we have to
okay
deal with this lag, but
yes sir
hopefully this I'm doing video recording by another way, and it will have smooth recording, and I'll see at the end if it is good. I'll upload it on YouTube, and you will get a link. Okay. So are you okay with this diagram? These rays are coming from
Yes, sir.
which distance they are coming? Infinity. How do we know this? That it is from infinity. So all they are parallel, no? So parallel rays are possible. Oh my god. Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes.
yes sir
Okay, so we have to live with this. I may extend this session, okay? So we can complete the syllabus.
Yes.
Okay, are you able to
Sir.
see the notebook now, right?
Yes.
sir
Yes?
Sir,
Yes?
sir after 40 minutes the session will automatically over so we have to join
Hold on. Hello.
sir.
Pranay, where it
अब मैं क्लास में छु पछि વાત.
it is not written but it is there
Hello, I do understand this meeting duration 40 minutes in the most case. Then I'll send one more link. Within 5 or 10 minutes, our second session would start. Are you getting me?
okay
So on your WhatsApp, I'll send the link.
Yes.
So we'll get another 40 minutes. Okay?
Anil,
Now, rays are coming from infinity. On what basis we can speak like that? I have muted your microphones because I could find many of the family discussion. So we'll do one thing. I'm asking this question. Rays are coming from infinity. How do we know? Answer is somewhere on this page. Because the rays are parallel. And those who are not acquainted with using Zoom, what you do, there is a icon on the left hand side of the screen which is mute and unmute. So give an answer and again mute it back. Okay. So are you okay with this diagram? Here,
Yes, sir.
where is the object? Object I'm not drawing at all. Where is object?
at infinity sir
It is at infinity. Okay. So that is your first diagram. See in your textbook.
Page number.
Sorry, that also I have to tell. Oh, hold on. Page 166. See, I'm talking about this. We have drawn this diagram. Okay.
yes, sir.
And what we'll be doing is this. And generally this is asked for 2 to 3 mark question. You will be given description of the question. You are supposed to draw a ray diagram. Am I clear? And page number is 166.
yes sir
Okay. So a new version. Now question is, object is beyond C. Find image using ray diagram. Are you clear with the question? Where is the object now?
Yes, sir.
Beyond C.
Beyond C.
Beyond C.
Okay. So as usual, now world famous method. What I am drawing is principal axis, at 4 centimeter,
Yes.
a curve. This is C, shading, center of the mirror is P. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, and then somewhere at 4 centimeter there is F. Okay. Question is object is beyond C. So what we'll do, somewhere I need to draw two rays. One will be passing through C, another is parallel to principal axis. So I'll draw it somewhere at 7 centimeter. Okay, this is 7 centimeter from C. I'll draw an object. How tall it would be? 3 lines. See, this is the object. 3 lines. Are you clear? So where will you draw the object?
Yes, sir.
7 centimeter from C. Okay. Now let's say this is a ray parallel to principal axis. I'll use blue color pen to show the reflection. So it has to pass through. Focus or C?
Focus.
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 Okay. So then it will look like this. This is reflected ray, right? Okay. Another ray will let pass through C. So one at the top of the object, another is at C. So black color pen for incident ray. This is incident ray. Where the reflected ray would go? Hello? If this is the incident ray, it will follow the same path. It will return back. Right? So red and blue both would be same. So I'll show this as reflected and this was incident. See, both the rays are meeting here. So top portion would be seen here and this is your image. If this was A, I'll draw A dash here, and if this was B, I'll write B dash here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question was object is beyond C, right? Find the image. So we have found that this is the image. Where it is? Shall I write? Its location or say position between C and F. Okay.
And C.
Okay. What about size? Bigger than or smaller than the object?
Smaller.
Smaller.
Smaller than the object, sir.
Smaller than the object.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, size is smaller. Okay. And you can say nature. What is its nature? So one is it is inverted. Yes or wrong?
Yes.
Yes, it is inverted. And these rays are really meeting or appears to be meeting?
Really meeting.
Real. So image is real.
Really?
Are you clear with that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now see
Yes.
in your textbook.
Yes.
Hold on, I'll bring text. Actually, one of my leg is having crack. Hip wall is cracked and I'm on a walker. So it takes time. Okay, so this diagram we have drawn. Are you clear with that? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, which is next diagram in continuation?
Object at C, sir.
Object at C. Okay. So this diagram is simple, so I'm leaving it on to you to draw. Okay. This diagram I'm talking about. This diagram you will try yourself, same method.
Okay.
But this is little difficult, so I'm showing how to draw. Okay. So we are now doing object is between C and F. Let's see how can we draw it. Principal axis. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So 4 lines below, 4 lines above.
Yes.
This is C, P, shading, somewhere half a mark. It is F. Now object is to be placed. Object is between C
C and F.
and F. So we'll show a small size object. Okay.
Yes.
We'll keep it 2 lines above. But then we'll not be able to show the actual way. So we'll show it still smaller. Okay. So what I'm doing, we'll keep the object small. And close to F. This is your object. Okay. This is a ray parallel to the principal axis now. Where would it pass through?
Focus.
Focus. So we'll use blue color pen. This is reflected ray. Okay, another ray has to pass through C. So one is this point, another is this point. Okay, if I extend it backward, both the rays would meet somewhere here. An image will form here. It is A dash, this was A, base was B, here it is B dash. Okay. If you will show this little closer to F, it would do. Okay. This was incident ray passing through C, reflected ray. Both the reflected rays are meeting here. Image is found here. So this is image and this is object. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what about the image location, where it is? This is image and where it is? Shashank, we know you are present. This is beyond C.
Sir, I am not writing this. I don't know who is writing.
Maybe your friend. This is beyond C. Okay. Size. Is it bigger than the actual size? Object is small. Image is bigger.
Bigger.
Okay. Nature. These both rays are really meeting.
Inverted. Inverted.
So it is inverted
Real.
and
Real.
Okay. Okay then. So any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. So when you draw the diagram, make sure the object is smaller in size, then your ray diagram would be fine. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is object is at focus. Object is at F. Okay. So as usual, principal axis, shading, pole, and where your pointer was here, this is C, and 4 centimeter there is F. Now where is object here? Where should I draw the object?
At focus.
At focus.
At focus, sir.
Okay. So this is the object. Okay. A, B. Yeah, we'll leave 5 minutes left. We'll be able to complete this diagram. This is incident ray parallel to the principal axis, where it has to pass through. All the rays parallel to the principal axis passes through. Hello?
Yes.
Sir.
Where it passes through? Focus.
Yes, sir.
Focus.
Right? And this tip and this C both should be kept aligned, and then draw a line This was incident ray, this is reflected ray. Both are parallel. See, this incident ray will pass through this, and the ray which was parallel to the principal axis passes through F. So where do they meet?
They will not meet.
At infinity.
At
I'll say
infinity.
they'll meet at infinity. If
Infinity.
you doubt,
Infinity.
go there at infinity and check it yourself. I'm saying it is at infinity. Okay. Okay. And how big it would be?
Same size.
Very, very big. Because you see, in our first diagram, over here, object was very small. As here, image is little large. Here, same size. Here it is bigger. And now
Bigger.
much bigger, means infinite time bigger. Actually this is not of any point, because parallel rays meets at infinity, and we say that image form will be infinitely huge. Okay, so if you are asked to describe about the image, where the image is formed, location infinity,
At infinity.
size very big,
Infinite.
infinite. Okay, nature we say real and inverted. If you doubt,
Inverted.
check it yourself. Right? These are something which we need to assume. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we are left with 2 minutes, and then I'll not be able to continue this session because this camera through which I am using, its battery is running out. It is also showing message of 15% battery. Okay, never mind. This is one more. Object is AB. Where it is?
Between P and
Between
F.
F and pole and focus.
Pole and focus. Somebody is drawing on the screen. Stop that nonsense, please. AB is the object between focus and pole. See, this is little unusual. A ray is directly hitting at pole. At whatever the angle it is hitting, at same angle it is going back. Okay. And the ray which is going to pass through C, it is going up to A to M, then M to C, it is returning back. So this ray, if I extend forward, it goes like this goes like this. Will they ever meet?
No.
No,
So
sir.
you extend them backwards, it is shown by dotted lines, and so it appears as if rays are coming from A dash. So this is
A
called
dash.
virtual image. Which image?
Virtual.
Virtual image.
Because actually image is not formed but appears to be formed. So you are left with less than 1 minute. All the 6 diagrams you have to draw 2 times.
Sir,
Hello?
sir, here why we have not taken parallel line.
Yeah, that's possible. I'll show in my next session. I'll draw the same diagram with our conventional method, one ray parallel to the principal axis. Then again it will meet at the same A dash B dash. Again virtual image only will be formed. Okay. So